Hello everybody, this is another vid. I just added a new pull station. This is the Signature series. And I just added a new speaker strobe, and it goes all the way up here. So we're going to take a trip back upstairs. Comes all the way up here. Down there. Goes right there. Comes up through this conduit. Comes all the way up here into this junction box where the speaker is. And then goes into the panel, and from the panel it goes down to the amplifier, and from the amplifier it goes to the CD player. Also, I added another Signature series pull station, dual action, and that wire goes from right, you can get the right there all the way up here, and then back into the junction box. I don't have any conduit to put that in, and I don't plan to put it in conduit, so I'm going to keep it like that. And then here's my first pull station I installed. Also, as you can see, I kinda moved up here, so I have my TV and VCR, but that's not important. There's not going to be any tests today, because I forgot my keys. So I'm just gonna have you look at this new system I set up. So yeah, and that's pretty much it.